Here's another one, guys, a 2006 Ford Eclipse E250 handicap wheelchair conversion van with a Braun UVL leather interior, one owner, clean Carfax, has 123,000 original miles. Van has been exceptionally cared for. The condition is really, really nice. Leather interior, very, very nice. Has a Braun UVL, fully serviced. Everything is working exactly the way it's supposed to. We did a full service on this van as well. It has brand new brakes all the way around. Paint shows gorgeously. Laser straight down the sides. Tires are good. Tow package. It is a 250 with a Braun UVL. It does have the extra seat inside. It does have Q-strength tie downs in the floor. Very nice, clean van. Will be priced according. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Visit us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Smash that like button. Subscribe. We're putting new vans up as soon as they come in. We do not advertise anything unless it is completely ready to go, fully serviced. Give us a call at any time. We've been in business 45 years. We do the best we can to accurately describe each and every van. We only buy clean titles, nice, clean Carfax vans, no flood damage, no accident damage. We try to keep our vehicles to the highest quality we can and deliver a good product to our customers. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. I'm going to show you everything on this van. Just giving you a walk around a couple times here so you can see what you're looking at. It's a beautiful sandstone mist metallic. Gorgeous color. Paint's beautiful. Shows nicely. Body's in excellent shape. Laser straight down the sides. Roof's in good shape. Has nice chrome alloy wheels. As you can see, tires are brand new. We put them on, brand new tires, brand new brakes. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Check it out. New tires, new brakes. Everything's fully serviced. This thing is a Braun UVL wheelchair lift. It stores under the van, so you have maximum use of the inside of the van. Has Q-straight tie downs in the floor. They put this rubber mat in here. It's super clean underneath. Does have a rear manual folding bench seat. Very easy to use. You lift up and pull out and it's down. Same to go back up, no problem. Super easy. It does have the extra seat that pops right out if you want to put the wheelchair here, no problem. You can take that out. The leather shows a little bit of signs of wear and tear just for the year and mileage, but overall the van is super clean inside now. Headliner's nice. It's a non-smoking van. The wheelchair lift will operate from the handheld pendant. No stories whatsoever. It's a one owner van. Clean, clean, clean. We are unsure if that TV works. We did not have a DVD to put in there. It does power up. Does have all the original manuals and the paperwork on the wheelchair lift system and the Eclipse conversion. So this thing is ready to rock and roll. Beautiful, clean. The dash is beautiful. Non-smoker. Look at that. Super, super nice. 123,000 miles. This van has plenty of life left. I wouldn't hesitate to drive this thing across country right now. It's been fully serviced. Thing is ready to go. The driver's seat has one little tear here. It's no big deal. We are actually going to have that fixed before it gets delivered, so nothing to worry about there. We will have it professionally done. Other than that, very nice, clean van. Doesn't have any smells on the inside. Got all your tie downs. It's got your extra seat belt ready to go. Show you how the wheelchair lift works. Does work and operate the way it's supposed to. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We accept any types of trade-ins. We can ship anywhere in the world. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the platforms. Give us a like, give us a follow. Again, that bed is a manual folding bed. It comes right up and goes right back down. I'm going to show you how that goes anyway, so you know. There you go. Does have all your window shades. I mean, it's just a nice clean van. It's got, you know, nice wood grain on the inside. Nothing's faded, nothing's burned. The seats show a little wear. Other than that, the van is super duper nice. Clean 5.4 liter V8. Runs and drives perfect. Again, all new brakes, new tires, all the way around. Look at that. Beautiful 06 E250. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can call or text to that number. Got your tow package. This thing's ready to go. Look how super clean this carpet is. I mean, it's just a very nice clean van. We will price it to sell, so don't hesitate. Give us a call anytime. 954-561-2499. Beautiful.